Westminster Shorter Catechism, Question and Answer 39. Quaestio 39. Quid autem officii ab homine exposcit Deus? Responsio. Officium quod ab homine Deus exposcit est obedientia voluntati eius revelatae exhibenda. Moreover, quid, what duty, what obligation from a person does God demand? Quid is our interrogative. It's neuter, singular, and accusative because it's the object of exposcit. This is the third conjugation verb exposco, exposcere, like so, and here it's in the present tense. The subject is Deus, the object, like I've said, is quid, and then we have officii, which is a neuter, singular, second declension noun. It's a genitive of the whole, or a partitive genitive. What duty does God require from a person, ab homine? And this is masculine singular, ablative of separation. Then the answer, the responsium, the responsio or the responsum, the duty, and then we have a relative clause, the duty which from a person God requires. The duty is obedience. So here's the subject, officium, here's the verb est, and there's the predicate, obedientia. So the duty is obedience. What duty? The one which God requires from a person is obedience, and then it's modified by this expression, obedience, that is displayed, exhibenda. So this is feminine singular and nominative, because obedientia is feminine singular nominative. And this is the second conjugation verb exhibeo, exhibere, the duty that is to be displayed or that must be offered to his will, voluntati eius, that is to his revealed will. So revelatae is modifying voluntati, and they are both feminine singular and dative. Then we have eius, the masculine singular genitive, which refers to Deus.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the lesson, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.